Hi there, and welcome to Toscany. I'm Olsen the Dane, and today we are going to make a local specialty, rapid. It's not going to be rapid, but it's going to be delicious. So first we are going to make the marinara sauce that we have to marinate the rapid in. So we are going to use softened Danish butter for this one. I know it's Italian, but who doesn't love Danish butter? We need some garlic. I have some nice cloves over here. So I'm going to peel 2 cloves of garlic. And nicely slice them into thin slices. Mix it in with the butter. Mix it around. Then we need to add some paprika. Don't be shy, just put in a generous amount. Some pepperoncini or chili flakes. That will just give that bite to the dish. Some ground pepper. Some salt. And a dash of extra virgin olive oil. Mix it well together. And now it's time to marinate the rapid. Stuff the rapid inside with the marinara and a generous amount of thyme. Don't mind to get your fingers dirty. Often I feel that's the best way to distribute the marinara. Just rub it in. And it's always a good idea to have a faucet by your hand. So now it's time to put it into the fridge and let it rest for a couple of hours. And while we're doing that, I'm going to heat up the barbecue, and then we're ready to grill it. Yep, there might be a thunderstorm on the way, so let's get cooking. So to grill the rabbit, we need to get a hot fire going. We're only going to use the ember. Here I'm using local Italian hardwood, such as oak, and give this very nice smoky flavor to the meat. The thunderstorm is coming, but let's hope we can cook it before it begins to rain. So I know many of you have second thoughts about trying new stuff, or maybe even trying rapid. The rapid roast is such a delicious and tender roast. It tastes like chicken with just a gamey flavor to it, and it's quite cheap. And rabbits, well, they grow like rabbits. So it's quite a cheap dish. So you can get a rabbit that's approximately 1 kilo, 1.3 kilos for 8 till 10 euros. So it's quite the catch. So if you ever get to try it, I'll recommend it. And now that the barbecue is getting quite hot, it's time to put on the rabbit. Yeah, the thunderstorm is coming. So we're going to put it on just on the side of the fire, so it doesn't get too burnt too quickly. It has to cook for approximately half an hour, 45 minutes, until it has a core temperature in the thighs of approximately 75 Celsius. Oh Lord, I beg you, postpone the storm for at least an hour so we can finish our delicious rapid dish. Thank you. After some time, it's time to turn him around. Just flip him 180. So it's going to get evenly cooked. When in Tuscany, you never know about the weather. And now it begins to rain. You gotta do what you gotta do. So while we're waiting for the rabbit to roast and the rain to stop, I can tell you about next time. I'm planning to make this local Italian steak, bistecca alla Florentina, or Florentine steak. It's 1.5 kilo, 3-pound steak, massive amount of beef, and it's going to be so good, so delicious. And I'm going to make it the traditional way, on the wood-fired stove as well. So please like and subscribe if you want me to see the bistecca alla Florentina, the king of beef or steak, depending on where you are in the world. And even though a thunderstorm is just passing and it's raining, well, the rabbit is ready. So let me take it off. Very nice golden tinder, and it smells so delicious. It's not the sharpest knife in the drawer. This is easy peasy, I can guarantee you that, and it's quite delicious. So I'm going to let my wife be the guinea pig, or the guinea rabbit. Wow. Very delicious. So let's get inside so we can get something to eat before the heavens open for us. So a little behind the camera until we're waiting for the neighbor to stop streaming. Say hello. Yeah, so we're just waiting to see if the thunderstorm will pass or go around us. And meanwhile the neighbor starts to use his streamer, so a lot of noise. Bulu, Maria, hvor er du henne? Bulu, Bulu, der er du jo! Så længe der ikke går lyd i mikrofonen, og så længe man kan se hvad jeg laver, og så længe at pigerne de er søde, og Maria hun er villig, så er alt godt jo.